Today we're gonna learn about how to use mini heat press. This mini heat press comes in 4 colors: dark green, mint green, orange, and raspberry red. With this portable machine, we will complete our projects with just one button. Power on the machine. Here, we can see 3 heating modes. The temperature of the first mode is 284 Fahrenheit. When there's a red light flashing, it means the mini heat press is heating. When the light turns green, the heat plate has reached the set temperature. The second mode is about 320 Fahrenheit. And the last one is 356 Fahrenheit. Its advanced, high-tech design will help you take care of more details while in use. Now let's start making your fabulous works.